In this video, we will learn how to save Instagram photos and videos directly to your phone's gallery in just a few simple and easy steps. So, let's get started. Open the Instagram app and you will land on the home page. Then, tap on the small profile icon at the bottom of the screen to go to your personal profile page. Here, you will see an icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Once you are in Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find the section called Data Usage and Media Quality. The first step is to open this section. The first thing you need to do is check the option Media Upload Quality and set it to High. If you have already done this, you can move on to the next step. After that, tap the back button and you will see the option Archive and Download. Open it and you will find several options. Make sure to turn on all of them, especially Save Original Photos. Once done, tap back. These two settings are the key to saving all your Instagram photos and videos directly to your phone's gallery easily.